Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is going to be very amazing because in this video I will talk about the built-in feature of Windows 11 automatic cleaning, automatic junk files cleaning and other self-cleaning option available inside the Windows 11. Nobody knows that and nobody talk about it, but obviously I have found a very good option inside the Windows 11 and you can avail the benefit from this option. So if you want to clean up your computer, you want to keep running your computer smooth and no logging issue should be there. So in order to do so, in order to achieve super speed of your Windows 11, you have to make sure that all the junk files should be clean on your computer. So if you I'm just giving you the example that how you can remove the manually all the junk files. Just you have to open the run and then percentage stamp and then percentage, then you will have a junk tons and tons and tons of junk files. Similarly, you can type the command of prefetch and definitely you can type many other commands in order to remove the junk files manually. So you have to repeat this activity at least once in a month in order to run your Windows 11 smoothly. So I'm going to tell you a simple automatic technique through which you can clean up your computer automatically every month without any head edge and no third party software is required. Just you have to open the start menu and type settings. Once you type the settings, then you will have an option of system at the left hand side. Just you have to click on the systems. After that you will have an option of storage. So once you click onto the storage, you can see that all the categories are there. You can check out all these categories by showing the show all option, and you can see that a lot of junk files are there, and obviously you will have much more as compared to me. So let's go back, and what you have to do that you have to on the storage sense, and just you have to open the storage sense, and after that you have to configure 1 to 2 option and not more than that. After that you will be completely head edge free and your system will be keep running smoothly, and once in a month every junk file will be deleted automatically without any instructions. So just you have to click onto the storage sense and you have to make sure that this option should be keep check and other options should be on. After that you have to check configure cleanup schedule, so whenever the storage will get full or every month you can the system will automatically, or Windows 11 will automatically clean up your options. So here we have already selected, maybe in your case if you are configuring the first time, because I have already configured it for my personal use, so I had selected every month. So in your case this option will be selected during low space. When it found the low space, definitely your system will be free from the junk files. So you have to select at least once in a month, and that is more than enough because junk files always gather slowly and gradually, not every day. So once in a month is basically a smart move. After that you have to check out the recycle bin settings, and 30 days the whatever you are going to delete, it will stay inside the recycle bin for the 30 days, and after the 30 days it will be deleted automatically. That is fine enough. And after that it is asking for the download option. Means generally people what does that they download the things and forget about it and just copy and paste from other drive, and the download data keep as it is, and with the passage of time download folders increases on day to basis or month to month basis, and definitely finally you will have slow speed on your computer, so you can delete it automatically. But obviously download folder is the most important folder of your computer and nobody want to delete it, so I put on never. But in your case, if you think that download folder should be clean in every month, so you can select the schedule over here from the default settings. You can see that we have a couple of number of days, and after that that's it. And just you have to run the storage sense now, and shortly you will have all the information that 1 MB of disk space we were able to the free up 1 MB of disk space. So since I have already done this, so that is why I don't have very much data in the shape of the junk file and useless file. But obviously if you are using the computer since couple of months, couple of years, definitely you will have bulk of data and you will get astonished results, and that results will be astonished you, I guarantee you. So that's all about today, and it is a fantastic option. Once you configure it, then you will be completely high edge free. It will remove all these things every month, and your computer performance will be sustained and keep running smoothly, and you will not face any issue. So this is the one of the most important and reasonable cause through which your computer is basically getting slow on day-to-day basis. So you have to make sure that you have to enable automatic cleaning. Believe me guys, your computer will keep running smoothly and you will not face any slowness issue. If you have any question, you can mention in the comment section, and head back home for to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.